Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set custom notification sound on Android phone. Okay, to set custom notification sound, we have to open our settings and we're going to open the sounds and vibration setting, and here we can select notification sound. But as you can see that there's no option to add a custom notification sound to this notification sound list. But don't worry guys, because I'm going to tell you the tips. You can open your file manager on your Android phone, and then you're going to open the notification folder on your file manager. Make sure that you open the notification folder in the internal storage. Okay, then this is the notification folder, and we're going to move the notification the sound to this notification folder, and I'm going to move the sound from this folder. This one, I'm going to make this audio as my notification sound, so we can long press on the audio, and then we're going to click on move, and we're going to open the notification sound, the notification folder, this one. Okay, then we're going to click on move here. Okay, and now the audio has been moved, and we're gonna check it on our settings. We can open our settings application again. Then okay, I'm going to go back to restart it. Click on the notification sound. Okay, and here as you can see that the notification or the audio that I have just moved to my notification folder on my internal storage has been added right here. Then we can just click on this sound. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can set a custom notification sound on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.